So this is video 2. We're going to just kind of pick up where we left off. Once again, you'll need your calculator and periodic table. 3 and 4, I'm not really going to show you how to do because we've actually done those before. Here you're going from moles to atoms. You're going to use 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number. Number 4, we're going from atoms to moles. Same thing, you use the same conversion, but it's depending on how you line up your units. So let's look at number 5, because this one is where I just want to remind you that we're going from mass to atoms, and it's a little bit longer, and we'll even do one of these prefixed ones here. We'll do 5b, so that you can see kind of that full step process. We've already done this in a previous unit, so it's just kind of refreshing what we've already done and moving forward. So we're going to take 2.0 times 10 to the 2 milligrams of americium. And you can either keep this in scientific notation, or if you know what that is, you can write it out. That's going to actually be 200 milligrams of AM. Now, I really like to get my units set up first. So before we can go to numbers of atoms, we have to go to moles. And before we can go to moles, we have to get to grams. And so that's going to be our first step, is going from milligrams to grams, and then grams to moles, and then moles to, in this case, atoms. And the reason why we're choosing atoms here instead of molecules is because we're dealing with a single atom versus a compound. Okay, so this first step, conversion factors, this is from our King-Henry die chart. 1 goes with our bigger unit. Milli is 3 jumps away. Our third box, so moles and grams, and this is our molar mass. And so 1 mole of AM, we click over to our periodic table, we find AM. See, AM is way down here. Its mass is 243. And then 1 mole of AM contains Avogadro's number of atoms. Now, let's double check that our units cancel out. So look, milligrams, milligrams, we go top to bottom. Grams, grams, moles, moles, and we're left with atoms. That's the desired units. We multiply everything on top. We only need 2 significant figures in our answer. On your calculator, you can actually turn your phone calculator sideways if you need to, and either type the first number in scientific notation or just go ahead and put 200 times 6.022. We're going to use the big EE button, 23, divided by 1E3, or 1,000, divided by 243. And what we get is a pretty long number. It should match this one right here in our calculator. Just remember, these answers are there so that you can quickly check yourself. Okay, so let's see. Let's go down to number 7. Now,